Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Vanguard brokerage accounts to manage investing cash reserves, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Vanguard brokerage accounts for managing your investing cash reserves, begin by logging into your Vanguard account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one by providing your personal information. Once logged in, navigate to the account overview dashboard. Look for the option labeled Cash Management or Account Settings. Click on that option to access your cash balance settings. Review your current cash balance allocation to understand how it is currently set up. Next, find the option to enable cash reserves for investing. This may be labeled as Enable Cash Reserves or Invest Cash Reserves. Follow any prompts to confirm that you want to allow cash reserves to be used for investing purposes. You may be asked to select specific accounts or funds where your cash reserves will be invested. Choose the funds that align with your investment strategy and risk tolerance. Once you've selected your preferred funds, review your choices carefully. Confirm your selections by clicking on the Submit or Confirm button. After submission, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your settings have been updated. Make sure to check your account after a few hours to verify that the changes have taken effect. It's good practice to monitor your cash reserves periodically. This will ensure that your cash is being allocated according to your investing goals. If you encounter issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Vanguard's customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.